Okay, welcome back. Let's take a look at this question. What is the systematic name for the compound CaS? So let's take a look at the rules we learned in the past. So the rules for naming binary ionic compounds. The name of the cation is written first, followed by that of the anion. So which means in this case, we have to write the cation's name first, whatever it is. Now, the name of the cation is the same name as the name of the metal. For example, we have calcium 2+ here, all right? So, but we just simply call that calcium, you see? So calcium 2+, we simply call that calcium, okay? So far, since we already know this, so it's a Ca2+ has to be calcium. Let's just look at some of those choices. A, that one is incorrect, all right? It's carbon. And all of the other 4, they could be the choice, all right? But there's only one is the correct answer. So let's take a look. The next rule, the name of the anion takes the root of the nonmetal name and adds the suffix ide. So binary ionic compounds, which means so only 2 elements, all right? So for 2 elements, you can simply follow these rules. Okay, so the second element is sulfur. The root for the name of sulfur is, of course, SULF, all right? That's the root. And then plus the suffix IDE, then that's IDE. You put them together, that's sulfide. So therefore, the correct name in this case for sulfur element is sulfide. Okay, sulfide. We already know the first name should be, or the name for the cation should be calcium. Then the second one is sulfide. So B obviously meet that conditions or meet that descriptions. So B should be the correct answer. But what is wrong with the C though? Can anyone tell me what is wrong? Yeah, I think I hear you. I'm just kidding. This is wrong. Calcium is a main group element, group 2A. So it only forms one cation, which is calcium 2+. You don't need to use those notations. Those notations in parentheses that only for the transition metals. Okay, so therefore C is incorrect. And what's wrong with D though? Calcium sulfate, we know that is wrong. What is a sulfate? Sulfate is not a single, just a not monoatomic anion. It's not monoatomic. It's SO4. That's 2 elements there. All right, it's SO4 2-. So therefore, that's not ice. It's SO4. What's wrong with E? SO3. All right, so therefore the correct answer can only be calcium sulfide, which is B. If you like my video and my other videos, please subscribe this channel and spread the words so that those material can help others to learn chemistry more effectively. Happy learning!